Hi guys, welcome back to Options Decoded. You must have seen the attractive thumbnail. The numbers mentioned there were achieved yesterday. You can go to our Telegram channel and check out the trades that I shared yesterday and have been sharing for more than a year now and resulting in more than 84% profitable days. Even yesterday, many of my Telegram subscribers were able to make decent returns and they have been making decent profits for more than a year now. But the reason for preparing this and upcoming videos is to increase my reach and help more traders. I know, right now, many of you must be finding very difficult to trade in such volatile markets. Even though the VIX is close to 21, still the volatility seems to be like it's in the range of 30s. So, to help you guys to take proper trade, have prepared this video and upcoming videos where I will be sharing lots of fundamental and technical reasons that will help you in trading in these rough times. Also, I would like to share that how to take a view on market based on the charts on the daily basis. Currently and more importantly, you should understand that markets are in trapping zone. Here, even your large capital can be wiped out in days. And at the same time, if traded properly, you can make high returns in a single day. As I made yesterday on very small capital. As you can see in the side of the video, where I was able to generate roughly 30% returns in a single day, and that too on a very small capital. I started trading in small capital just to show my small Telegram group that even with smaller capital, you can generate higher returns. Yesterday, in this account, I took very few but high conviction trades, and it resulted in such profits with proper risk management. Here, I was ready to lose around 5,000 rupees and was looking to make something in the range of 15 to 20,000, but market rewarded me for my proper risk and trade management. You all need to understand these are different times. This happens once or twice in 5 years bracket when there is a bigger trap played by the large players. And here, none other than retail trader mostly lose because HNIs are invested. They don't trade much, but it's a retail trader who want to make quick money and end up losing their hard-earned capital. You can check the history of my trades for more than 1 year now. I had bad days too. Last month was really good for mostly all my subscribers. But in last week, each day, we all started in green. Good profits in both positional trades as well as initial intraday trades. And then, thanks to the volatility, lost most of the profits. And even few days ended in small losses. But thanks to proper risk management and trade management, it was well under our control. And trust me, when I say markets reward for proper risk management, it really does. In such times, when many traders are losing their hard earned capital, I lost 1 week of profits and I and my subscriber were just fine with it. We all understand that losses are part of trading and you need to make sure that they are in your control. Well, now let's jump into how we can trade today. Firstly, on the macro side, yesterday US markets were closed, but US futures from decent red by the time we closed were slightly up. And currently, when I'm preparing this video, they are already in good green. Gold and crude are also up today. Dollar index is very close to 105 and rupee is at 78.9. Bitcoin is up by 5 to 6% roughly since yesterday. Our counterparts, I mean other emerging markets, are already showing some greenery. So, based on the macros, keep an eye on rupee at start. If it gets slightly stronger, then our market should be able to sustain above 15,800 levels. Now, coming to Nifty charts. On monthly time frame, although we are in green, but pattern that's forming could again bring us down, maybe after a slight bounce. On weekly time frame, we still show weaknesses. We, sh- we still show weakness and 15,200 levels are still open in coming days. On the daily time frame, yesterday markets tried to break out on the upside, but all this changes once we see 15 minutes time frame. Yesterday once we breached 15,785 mark, it tried to break the resistance zone. Today if rupee shows some strength and US futures don't fall till the time we open, we could try to test 15,860 levels at the open itself. And if we gain further strength from there, 16,200 levels are open for coming days. So, trade plan is very simple. Keep an eye on the macros at open. If there is strength, go long. First target is closer to 15,860 levels. Their market should give some respect and small dip. Then if macros still remain strong, we can again enter long side for the day. But remember, as I always say, risk management is more important, especially these days. Keep your risk and capital management in check. Trade small quantity for now. Always book some profits once trade starts moving in your direction. Don't average a losing trade until and unless you are 100% sure about the reversal. So, let's join in Telegram for further analysis. Link is below in the description and the trades that I share today will be there as well. All those who are new to the channel, if you like the information I share, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. All the best for the day and as always, happy learning.